Hi, my name is Ali Atkins and I'm here in my home studio. I would like to welcome you to our brand new creative programme, Start Online. So for this week, we are going to start looking. Do you know, lately I think we've all been doing a lot more looking. Have you? I'm thinking about through our windows at home when we couldn't go outside. But I want you to think about your windows at home. Think about where and what they look out on. Think about the different shapes, the sizes, or even the style of glass. You may have frosted in your bathroom window. Then there's the blinds, the net curtains, or even the weather outside will change what we see from these windows. It may be the rain on the window pane or the sun hitting your eyes. Think about how the same view from this window is forever changing. The great thing also about your window frames are they frame the view for us, just like a picture, just like the composition in a painting. And have you ever thought how maybe different people may notice or see different things? Why don't you ask your family what they see looking through the same window? This time that we spend looking and watching is never wasted. In fact, it's really useful. It helps us connect with and understand everyday things around us, especially when we are making art. Many artists, they use this idea of a frame to reveal an interesting view or a composition that sometimes helps them focus in on an interesting object or shapes or even the light coming through. This makes me think of one of my favourite artists, James Turrell. He does just this in his sky space installations. This installation, this is really just a room, and this room has a carefully positioned window which seemingly looks at just one view. But then when you're inside, the magic happens because this view is constantly changing depending on the time of day, the time of year, or the weather outside. Can you imagine? If you can't, there's no problem. You can see James Turrell's sky space at Houghton Hall in Norfolk. It's well worth a visit. It's just totally amazing. So, how can you use different ways of looking to help you with your artwork? Download our Start Looking PDF and give it a go. There's lots of great things to try out and test. You may even want to use and make our spectacular art goggles. What will you see? Take care and see you next time.